Welcome. Now let us see how to create a Google Mail account or in short Gmail account. Just go to Google, type Gmail, create new account, create your Google account, create your Google account first name, given sample account I am creating, username, you need to give the password. To confirm the password, if you click this, the password will be shown. Here I don't want to show the password to the general audience. See here, that username is taken, so try another name. So I'm just giving a Betty dash mail underscore. That also has been taken already online. That username is also taken. Okay. This name is existing, vettivalonlineweb@gmail.com. So in order to create first again Gmail account, you need to go to Google, then you need to go to sign up, then the last for the first name, then the last name, then the username you have to give at gmail.com. Right? So after that, you need to submit the enter the password twice in order to confirm it. Then click next. Now it is asking for the phone number. Giving the phone number. Right. Or instead of phone number, we need to give the phone number. It's optional only. Yes, you can click next. This date of birth and gender must be provided. Okay. So I'm providing the date of birth, gender, and I am clicking next. So you need to accept all the terms, privacy and terms of Google, and accept. Now Gmail account has been created. Now we need to go to Gmail. Yes, excellent. Google Mail or Gmail has been created. Okay, let's see the inbox. Privacy. Welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google products, apps, and services. Here are a few tips to get you started. Now I'm setting the entire theme into dark mode. So you need to go to settings, see all settings, themes, set theme, dark, click save. Now go to inbox. Now This will be the dashboard for your newly created Gmail account. This is the name of the Gmail. When you click this icon here, you can change the image to. In our record, you can customize the Gmail account. So, vetrivalonlineweb@gmail.com. So, this it is a sample email we have created just now. This is how we need to create a Gmail account easily. Right? We can start sending email. This title, somebody else. That's all I am typing in. Subject, no email address, and this is my new email address. Gmail. Thank you. Then send. You can see the send message in the send icon, send folder. So new message has been sent. Right? This is how we create a Google Mail or Gmail account easily. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.